How's it going, guys? It's your boy Vlad from Curry's, and today I'm having my first look at the new Pokémon Scarlet and Violet games, and check out the 3 things I'm most excited about. There's a new mechanic called terastallizing to spice up the battles. For the first time, you can play online with your friends, and there is a huge open world to explore. But enough talking. We're in the gaming arena, so let's give it a go, shall we? So just like previous generations, the game comes in 2 different versions, identical at their core with a few aesthetic differences and a handful of exclusive Pokémon to check out. Today we're having a look at the Pokémon Violet one, and these are its exclusive features. So in terms of Pokémon, we got Bagon with its evolved forms, Sheldon and Salamence, as well as Ice-Cube, Surledge, Iron Thread, and the legendary Raiden. So Scarlet, on the other hand, has Larvitar with its evolutions Pupitar and Tyranitar, and also Stonejourner, Armarouge, Great Tusk, and the equally legendary Koraidon. Alright, so we've now encountered another Pokémon, a Mudbray, in a grassy land. This one is actually 2 levels above my Pokémon, and in a fair fight he would win. But lucky, we have the secret tool of terastallizing. And I'm going to show it how it works right now. Basically, when you choose your attack, you hit R in order to terastallize that attack. And what it will do, it will increase the power of your Pokémon's abilities. For instance, in our case it's Fire and Ember. It'll get double the attack. And it will also make the Pokémon a lot stronger, so it'll be more resilient to incoming attacks, and it have a buff to all of the other non-elemental attacks as well. There you go. That's a victory right there. Who's level 15 now? So we won this battle. What happened now is we used up our Terra Orb, and now in order to use terastallizing again, we'd have to charge it up at that conveniently placed Pokemon Center. So what we're seeing now, guys, it's a premiere for the entire Pokemon series. I'm playing with my friend online, which has never been the case before in the Pokemon games. So you can play with up to 3 friends, so 4 players in total. You can explore the world, pick battles, catch wild Pokemon, and take part in raids together. So in order to celebrate this historical moment, we're gonna take my first Pokemon group selfie and say cheese, bam! Capture taken. History is being made. So finally, we're able to experience the vast world of Paldea freely, as Scarlet and Violet are the first truly open-world RPG games in the entire Pokemon series. This means you have complete freedom to go wherever you want, whenever you want, so every adventure will be unique. Open world, baby, yeah! If you'd like to know more about Pokémon Scarlet and Violet, you can visit us in store, head online, or talk to one of our tech experts via a Shop Live video call.